Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove our Instagram followers. Let's get to it. Open your Instagram app on your phone, then you have to log into your account. And here I have my Instagram account opened. And if we want to remove our followers, we have to click on our profile right here. Then choose followers. And here are my followers, guys. And if you want to remove the followers, you can simply click on remove option right here. And I'm going to remove this account from my followers. Just click on the account that you want to remove, and you have to click on remove right here. And alright, now the account has been removed from my followers list. Alright guys, that's how we can remove Instagram followers. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.